Hello, I'm Master123. Today, I will be showing you another gimmick deck trick. So let's get into the video. If you're a magician and you want to learn awesome card tricks, start now by subscribing. Alright, for this trick I will be using my split deck, which actually ties to its name because it's split. Okay, so let's get started. So what we'll do on this first side, we'll have the you can cut the cards and have the spectator point to any corner. Let's say they point to this corner, and then the same thing on the other side. You can split the cards and then have the spectator point to any side. Let's say they say this one. Okay, so here they chose the 8 of diamonds, and on this side they pointed to the 8 of diamonds as well. So if I put this back together, but look, if you went to any other card, it wouldn't have been a match. Alright guys, I'm not going to reveal this trick. If I get any comments about that, like you really want it revealed, I may do it at a later date. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, of course. Subscribe. Thank you.